My name's Mike Gwozdecki. I've been in the fire protection industry for almost 41 years. My father had started our company named Diamond Automatic Sprinklers after my father had retired for 15 years, had the opportunity to merge with Impact Fire Services. So as of July 1st of 2024, we were acquired by them, and I went from being the president of Diamond Automatic Sprinklers to now being the district general manager of the Harrisburg district. We had this situation over at Karen's Catering in Middletown, Pennsylvania. So the building that it was installed in is an old Boy Scouts camp. So it was an existing dry system, Schedule 10 piping, and the building would fluctuate in temperature from 10 degrees in the winter, maybe inside, up to 150 degrees or more in the attic area. So the pipe was constantly getting condensated. Then over the years, the Schedule 10 deteriorated from the inside out. And at that point, we put in the VPS 500. Installation was pretty simplistic, and it's been in service since. So it's been almost a year and 8 or 9 months, and there's been no leaks that developed. The air compressor is not running anymore, and it's been a savior for her.
So you were installing pipe every 2 months, and then since Vapor Pipe Shield has been put in place, you haven't replaced any pipe?
None.
That's awesome. That's really good to hear.
We just installed one in Ebenezer United Methodist Church. It's been installed now for, I think, 2 months. Same situation. It's a church dry system throughout the whole building. So they have mains above an acoustical tile ceiling, underneath the drywall, and then sprinkler lines up in the roof area. It's been a nightmare. They've had leaks and trips like figures right before Easter service, right before Christmas service. So I got everything buttoned up, and I said, I know it's an expense, but you need to try it. I tell everybody to go to your website, look at the testimonials, and so we just installed one there now. We just purchased 3 more that were delivered yesterday, and they're being installed at Quincy Retirement in Waynesboro, Pennsylvania. So they have 3 little buildings, and all 3 of them that were installed about 15 years ago are disintegrating at the same rate. So I recommended that. So we're going to be installing 3 of them. And then we're working with a customer at Capital Area Intermediate Unit that has the same situation. The smaller systems are all under 500 gallon capacity. And then the one at, there's 2 systems at Capital Area Intermediate Unit. The reason why they don't have accelerators on them, none of them. And so since there's 2 systems, we're going to be installing, I think it's the 1,000. The Dillsburg Tavern is promoting learning, educating people on how whiskey was distilled back in the early 1800s. And I just told them, let's start from the start and put one of these on, because it's a not-for-profit. It's one less thing they have to worry about. So we're going to be inspecting it now that it's been in service for a year, and promoting the installation on that system.
Very cool. And you're going to do the Vapor Pipe Shield install yourself?
Yes.
That's so easy.
Well, yeah, and plus I'm trying to, yeah.
Awesome, Mike. You're a natural. I appreciate it.